So here we have the text, and then here we have the effects, and then here we're gonna have to write on. Very helpful effect I've learned a couple of years ago. It's super nice and super nice. Yeah, super nice. It's very nice. So with this one, what we can do, and here what we're gonna have to do here is to set the color to red, and here seconds to 5, and then here brush spacing to 001. So 001, like this. Now here we have to check something. So when we drag this, you see we should cover our text, right? And also here's something I realized I forgot. So gonna have to write right here to change, to add the type right, which is going to be this one type. Sorry, right. Anyways, let's say this one or whatever. Let's say this one, but that's not really right font. Anyways, so now if we select right on, we have this here. We have to increase the size. Now it's covering. Yes, it is. Perfect. Now I'm gonna add a keyframe for brush position. I'm gonna click on right on, and then I'm gonna press the forward arrow, and I'm gonna move. So you can with the arrows you can move, right? Make sure you're doing that, and then if I drag like so, like this, there's not really covering the way I like, so I'm gonna do this, something like this, and then like this, and then gonna move it here, and then I can move again, can press right on, and then I can again write the R, something like this. I'll go for, just take your time. Okay, now we're gonna have to select here reveal original. Now you're gonna have to be precise. And also something I and something I would do, I would definitely write use text. The text that is something, a type effect. a type effect, something typewriter effect, hand handwrite effect, something like this. That's something I would use, that's for sure, because you'll get a totally a better result simply as that. So yeah. But I hope you understood exactly what's the process and what you need to do. Thanks for watching and take care.